So here we're adding fractions, but we have two answer boxes. That's because we're going to write our answer as both an improper fraction and a mixed number. So adding these fractions will give us a total of more than one whole. So we have 4/5 plus 4/15, but we know that to add fractions we need our denominators to be the same. Now 15 is in the 5 times table, so we can find a fraction equivalent to 4/5, which has a denominator of 15. Now 5 times 3 is 15, and what we do to the denominator we need to do to the numerator as well. 4 times 3 is 12, so 4/5 is equivalent to 12/15. So we can rewrite our question as 12/15 plus 4/15. So when we're adding fractions and we have a common denominator, the denominator stays the same, and 12 plus 4 is 16. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 16/15. But if we want to change that back into a mixed number, we have 1 and 1/15, because 16 divided by 15 is 1 remainder 1. Now 9/21 plus 6/7. So we need the denominators to be the same, and 21 is in the 7 times table, so we can find a fraction equivalent to 6/7, which has a denominator of 21. Now 7 times 3 is 21, and what we do to the denominator we need to do to the numerator as well, and 6 times 3 is 18. So we can rewrite our question as 9/21 plus 18/21, because as we've seen, that's equivalent to 6/7. So when we're adding fractions, we keep the denominators the same, and 9 plus 18 is 27. So as an improper fraction, our answer is 27/21, which we can write as a mixed number as 1 and 6/21, because 1 times 21 is 21, but then we need 6 more to get to 27. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.